Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview question. Today question, what are shallow copy and deep copy and give example. This is one of the important question for interview. Here you want to know about what is normal copy before you are going to know about the shallow copy. Let's begin. I'm creating one file name is a copy.js in VS Code. I'm taking one object name is a person. In that I'm giving the name is a key and value is a Mahesh. Next, taking one more key and value is a 26. Let this person object I am going to assign one more new variable. That I'm taking new person and assigning this value. So this object like this. Just I'm copying this person into this new person. I'm going to log in this in console log like this person and new person. If I wanna going to call this one, we can see two objects we are created here. This is about the person object, this is about the new person object. In this normal copy, one problem is there when I wanna going to change only new person object name. Just I wanna going to assign some name here like this. It will going to reflect it in both, but I wanna going to change only new person name. You can see it will are going to reflect it in both objects. So this is about the normal copy. Yeah, you can avoid this problem using the shallow copy. Let's begin with shallow copy. Shallow copy creates a reference object when a reference variable is copied into new reference variable with help of assignment operator. I will explain very clearly. I'm copying this one. I'm going to comment it. I'm pasting it here. I'm creating a reference variable for shallow copy. I'm using split operator. Yeah, this is about that point. See, shallow copy creates the reference object. This is a reference object. If I want to going to call this one, we can avoid that problem. See, only it will be going to reflect it in new person object as it is what it is having here. Yeah, let's go to the second point. Shallow copy works fine with top level elements, but do not work on nested element. What is that? What is here top level elements first? These are we call as the top level element. What is a nested element? I will show. I'm creating one child object here like this phone and name is a iPhone here. I'm creating two key values I'm taking. One is a name, second one is a number. Yeah, this is we call as a nested element or child element for the person. Yeah, when you are calling here top level elements, it is not going to disturbing. It will working fine. Yeah, only person object only going to changing here. This person value it is keeping same. New person only it will be going to reflect it. But when you are going to assigning this nested object name, we want to going to change how it will be going to response. We will see here. And taking new person dot name dot phone dot name, I'm assigning some value is a Mahi. If I want to call this one, you can see the difference. What is the difference you can observe here? This primitive value top level element, it is not going to disturbing here. But when you are calling this nested object, it will be going to reflected in both. Yeah, here see iPhone place you can observing this name say Mahi and Mahi, it is reflected in both. This is a problem you can face using the in shallow copy. Why? Because it will be going to like that. We can understand with the next point. Shallow copy means that certain nested value are still connected to the original value, so that new person objects values or some values are still connected with the person. Those values are nested variables, so nested elements. Why like that? The original or new reference variable point to the same object memory. That is the reason it will be pointing to the same object memory. So that is the reason if the state of the object changes through any reference variable, it is reflected for the both. That is the reason if I want to going to change nested value by using this new person phone dot name, it will be going to reflect it in both person and new person. So this is a problem with the shallow copy, and this is the shallow copy. So how can we avoid this one? Using the deep copy you can avoid. I'm copying and commenting down it. And first, you know about this something, deep copy. What is a deep copy? Deep copy means that all of the values of the new variable are copied and disconnected from the original variable. How it is? Let's see. Here I'm pasting what is the code written up to now. Just I'm changing this one. Here that deep copy, it is keeping original value separate and a new variable value is separate. It will be disconnected from the original variable. I will explain some 2 points. After that I will enter into that. Yeah, allocating separate memory location for the new object, then assign copy members to the new object. That is the reason it is disconnected from the original variable and created two separate memories for the new object, and after that we will call. That is the reason it will be going to give us a what you are expected from it. So now I will create deep copy using JSON person and JSON stringify. This is one of the method for that. How I am going to write code here? See it here, JSON dot parse. In that I'm taking JSON dot stringify. I want to go to stringifying this entire array first. What is the array name? Sorry, object of this name is person. If we will see the result, we can change the change result. See this person, what we are having the object that is kept it separate. And next, when I'm going to call in deep copy, just it will be going to copy what I wanna going to assigning this new person name Mahi and iPhone name is Mahi. Just only those are going to reflected where I'm expecting, those only it will be going to give a result. This is about the deep copy. Yeah, I hope we all understand very clearly what is normal copy, what is shallow copy, what is deep copy. Just take the quick revision. We can answer this question like this. Shallow copy creates the reference object when reference variable is copied into new reference variable with help of the assignment operator. Shallow copy works fine with top level elements but do not work with on nested elements. Shallow copy means that certain nested values are still connected to the original object. The original and new variable point to the same object in memory. So as a result, if the state of the object changes through any reference variable, it reflected on both. Coming to the deep copy. Deep copy means that all of the valuable new variables are copied and disconnected from the original variable and allocated separate memory location for the new object, then assign the object memory to the new object. So we can create deep copy using JSON post and JSON stringify. Like this way you can answer this question.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment down.